everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE DA 2025 GA question number 5. A rectangle has a length L and a width W, where L is greater than W. If the width W is increased by 10%, which one of the following statement is correct for all value of L and W? And 4 options are given. Let length equals to L unit and width equals to W unit. Then what are the formula for area, perimeter and diagonals? Because all questions are asking about perimeter, then diagonal and area. So area equals to length into width, L into W, LW unit square. Then perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 multiplied L plus 2 multiplied W units. And diagonal equals to root over of L square plus W square unit. And now it is saying if W is increased by 10%, means W plus 0.1, okay. So 1 plus 0.1, it will be 1.1 W. Let's check each option. Option A, perimeter increase by 10%. So in place of width, in place of W, we will write 1.1 W. So 2 multiplied L plus 1.1 W, that is 2L plus 2.2 W. It's increased by 1.2. It's not 10%, right? Hence option A is not the answer. Perimeter is not increased by 10%. It's increased more. Next option B, length of the diagonal increased by 10%. So in place of this W, we will write 1.1 W whole square. L square plus 1.1 W whole square, then root over. This is not 10%, right? So option B is also wrong. Next option C, area increased by 10%. So L, W, in place of W, we will write 1.1 W. 1.1 W. So 1.1 LW, that is 1 plus 0.1 of original area. So before area was LW unit square, now it is 1.1 LW. So that is exactly increased by 10%. That's why answer is option C. Area increased by 10%. Next option D, the rectangle becomes square. It's not given exact length or width, so we cannot say from this information that the rectangle becomes square, as we have no idea about what exactly length and width. So answer will be option C. Area increased by 10% when width is increased by 10%. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.